Welcome to SAP Gurukul, your gateway to a successful SAP career. This one-year experience and exposure program is meticulously designed to equip freshers and those returning to work with essential skills and knowledge in the SAP ecosystem. Let's explore Gurukul, the ancient Indian education system, and its relevance in modern education. A Gurukul is an ancient Indian educational system where students known as Shishyas lived with their teacher, Guru, in an ashram setting. This holistic learning environment emphasized not only academic subjects like scriptures, mathematics, and science, but also life skills, discipline, and moral values. Education was imparted through a close-knit teacher-student relationship, fostering respect and obedience. This immersive residential system played a crucial role in shaping ancient Indian society and values. In today's fast-paced world, the Gurukul approach offers a 360-degree holistic learning environment that is essential for developing both technical expertise and soft skills, especially for roles like SAP consultants. Unlike conventional education systems, which often focus solely on academic achievement, the Gurukul system emphasizes well-rounded development by integrating values like discipline, leadership, communication, and problem-solving alongside technical knowledge. For an aspiring SAP consultant, this approach provides not just the technical know-how of SAP modules, but also critical thinking, interpersonal skills, and adaptability, which are vital in navigating complex business environments. By fostering close mentor-mentee relationships and encouraging immersive learning, the Gurukul model equips individuals to excel both professionally and personally, making them more effective and adaptable in today's ever-evolving corporate landscape. SAP Gurukul is a modern approach inspired by the traditional Gurukul system that emphasizes holistic learning. At SAP Gurukul, we believe that becoming a 360-degree SAP consultant requires more than just technical expertise. It demands continuous communication, adaptability, and progress. That's why we've created this platform to equip you with not only the knowledge, but also the soft skills and real-world insights necessary for a well-rounded career. By fostering a culture of communication and growth, SAP Gurukul is designed to help you excel in your journey and stand out as a complete SAP professional. Throughout the program, you will receive comprehensive training in 2 SAP modules. One will be a core module, for example, SAP MM, SD, PP, ABAP, and FICO, while the other will be an advanced module, for example, SAP WM, SAP TM, or SAP Ariba. As a participant, you will benefit from the SastraGeek Diamond membership. This includes access to extensive SastraGeek trainings and a 12-month SAP S4 HANA server access, crucial for practical learning and project execution. The program also covers essential consulting skills, including communication, presentation, and proficiency in Excel and PowerPoint. You'll gain familiarity with office tools, project management methodologies, and workshop moderation techniques. Hands-on project work is a key component, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Continuous access to the SAP S4 HANA server for 12 months provides a significant advantage for practice and skill enhancement. Upon successful completion, candidates may have the opportunity to continue with SastraGeek Solutions on payroll. This depends on project availability and your performance during the internship, offering a seamless transition into the workforce. Exceptional candidates who demonstrate outstanding skills and dedication during the first 6 months of the program may qualify for a monthly stipend starting after 6 months. This stipend offers financial support as you continue to advance your learning and practical experience. The program demands a strong commitment to learning, with participants expected to dedicate 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. This rigorous schedule is balanced with opportunities to shadow live projects, providing invaluable exposure. How to start your SAP Gurukul journey. Set up an interview call. Confirmation on SAP Gurukul program eligibility. Enroll in Diamond membership with server access. Submit required documents. Sign contract offer. Complete email, setup, and admin formalities. Refine your roadmap by booking a call with your mentor to align goals. Onboarding and program overview. Start the SAP Gurukul program. Participate in training, workshops, and project assignments. Start your career in SAP. Let's hear directly from the candidate about what a week in the life of a Gurukul student looks like.
I am a student in the SAP Gurukul program, and here's a glimpse of my daily routine. I attend live sessions throughout the week and weekends based on the schedule of my module. Our mentor-led sessions typically run from Thursday to Friday, dedicated to reviewing our roadmap and progress. Each week, I prepare and present a topic to both mentors and fellow participants, which significantly improves my communication and presentation skills. Additionally, we work on shadow projects under the close guidance of our mentors and trainers, gaining practical hands-on experience and valuable insights into real-world scenarios.
Join SAP Gurukul to embark on a transformative journey that bridges the gap between education and employment. Whether you're a fresher or returning to the workforce, this program is your pathway to a thriving SAP career.